Namaskar, welcome back to Math Circles. I am Radhika. In the first video we discussed the types of matrices, and in second video we discussed some properties, and now we are going to discuss operation on matrices. So let's come to the operation, and if you haven't checked the first and second video, the link is in the description. You can go and check from there. So let's start the operation on matrices. The first operation that we are going to study is addition. And simultaneously we'll do subtraction as well, because they both are easy. So we'll do addition and as well as subtraction. Okay, so I'll try to elaborate these two operations with the help of examples. So I'll take matrix A is equals to 1 2 3 minus 1 0 minus 3. Okay, and I am taking the matrix B is equals to minus 1 0 minus 6 2 4 and 0. There are two matrices. Now we need to find the addition of matrix and the subtraction of matrix. So first we will do addition. How do you add two matrices? You need to add the corresponding elements of both the matrices. Okay, and this, that is 1 plus minus 1, 2 plus 0, and you will write it in the same position. Okay, and 3 plus minus 6, minus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 4, and minus 3 plus 0, which is equals to, you can see 1 and minus 1 is 0, and this is 2, and that would be a minus 3. This will be 1, this is 4, and this is minus 3. So that would be your addition of matrices. And now let's come to the subtraction. In the same way you will subtract the matrices, you will subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, so 1 and this 1 minus of minus 1. Please be careful when you are subtracting, because there are so many confusion of signs over here. So usually जो students होते हैं उनको addition में वो छोटी छोटी दिक्कत हो जाती है, वो कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. तो बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द मैट्रिसेस. 2 minus 0, 3 minus and minus of 6, minus 1 minus 2, and 0 minus 4, and minus 3 and minus 0, and that would be 1, and this sign would be converted into the positive sign. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and that is 2 minus 0 is also 2, and here also you can see the minus and minus sign is going to be converted into a positive sign. So 3 plus 6, that is 9, and this would be a minus 3, and that would be a minus 4, and again minus 3. Okay, so as you can see that in addition, if you are adding minus 1 plus 1 or 0 plus 2, I mean I'm just doing it opposite. If I'll find B plus A, if you'll see the B plus A, you are going to get the same matrix, because if you'll add 1 and minus 1 or minus 1 and 1, you are going to get the same answer 0. You'll add 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2, you are going to get the same answer. But in subtraction you are not going to get the same answer, right? हम 1 minus of minus 1 करेंगे तो हमारा 2 आ रहा है, लेकिन if you are doing minus 1 and minus 1, you will get minus 2. So here you can see the addition is commutative, but subtraction is not commutative, as I have already told you. We have discussed the properties. The first property was addition follows the property of commutative, but subtraction doesn't. I think addition and subtraction, both are the operations are clear to you. Now we'll proceed with the multiplication. And the most important thing for addition and subtraction as well, there is a boundation, and the boundation is when you are adding and subtracting the matrices, the order of the matrices should be equal. अगर मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर इक्वल नहीं है तो आप उनको ऐड नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए यू नीड अ करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट. if you are not having any corresponding elements towards 1, so you cannot add this add the elements, right? So for addition and subtraction you should have the same order of the matrix, then only you can add or subtract. Okay, now there is also a boundation for multiplication, and the boundation is, suppose if there is a matrix A and there is a matrix 2, and the A has order m cross n or m by n, then B should have the order n cross P. It means, it shows that the number of column in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix should be equal. अगर इसका कॉलम और इसका रो इक्वल नहीं है तो आप मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. That has to be equal, and you'll get the answer of order m cross P. So from the only with the help of the order you can see कि आपको किस order का matrix मिलेगा after multiplication, and even if you are able to multiply or not. So remember जिस first matrix का column and second matrix का row. So let's take an example for multiplication, that what is the process of multiplication. So I'm gonna take two matrices, the matrix A. Just to make you understand, I'm gonna take a 2 cross 2 matrix, that is 1, 2, -1 and 0, and I'm gonna take the matrix B, that is 2, 3, -2 or 1. Okay, so here you can see the order of the matrix is 2 by 2, and the order of the matrix B is also 2 by 2, and definitely we are able to multiply it because the number of columns in matrix A is 2 and the number of rows in the matrix, this is also 2, right? So let's do the multiplication. We do the multiplication, we take the row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix. Okay, and then we multiply and add to the corresponding, we are finding AB. Now see, how will you do? 1 multiply by 2 and plus 2 multiply by -2. This is your first element. Now the first row and second column, that is 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 3 and 2 multiply by 1 and plus 2 multiply by 1. Now second row and similarly the first column, that is -1 multiply by 2 plus 0 multiply by -2 and -1 multiply by 3 plus 0 multiply by 1. So you will take first row and first column and will multiply simultaneously. Okay, हम इसको first को first row के साथ में, and the second element of the row will be multiplied by the second element of the column, and here you will get 2 and that is -4, so it is 2 minus 4 and 3 plus 2 -2 and plus 0, and this is -3, which is equals to -2, 5 and -2 and -3. So this is your multiplication of, and you can see the result also. The order of the matrix is 2 by 2 and here also it's 2 and 2, so and from the question we can conclude that the order should be 2 by 2 and the order is 2 by 2, right? So this is a proper method for multiplication. And now if you are able to do the matrix multiplication for 2 by 2, and the similar method we'll do for the matrix 3 by 3, and if the order of the matrix is 2 by 2 और यहाँ पर अगर हम उसको 2 by 3 करते हैं, okay, it means we need to add one more column. let's see, let's add one more column so you will understand that too. Let's take it as -1 and 0 and the order is 2 by 3. Now we have increased one more column. तो अब जब आप first row का इससे किया आपने, then you got this, and the first row and second column is this. Now the first row and third column you have to add here. So I'll do that. 1 into -1, that is -1. 1 into -1 and plus 2 into 0. And similarly the second row and the third column, that is -1 multiplied by -1 and 0 multiplied by 0. So here you can add another element, that is -1 plus 0, that is also -1, and here it's +1. So now your matrix is -1 and 1, and the order of this is 2 by 3 because there are 2 rows and 3 columns, right? और हम यहाँ से भी आप कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि हमारा ये कॉलम और ये रो सेम है, और जो रिजल्टेंट जो मैट्रिक्स आपको मिलेगी आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू विल गेट बाय ऑर्डर ऑफ 2 क्रॉस 3 एंड यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग द मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 क्रॉस 3, right? So this is how we multiply the matrices. So we are done with the multiplication now, right? So and in another video, because inverse is itself is a big deal and it takes a full focus, so I will discuss the inverse of a matrix in my next video. So do check that to learn how we find the inverse of a matrices. Thank you so much, and if you understood that properly, please write it in the comment box. I would love to read the comments, and if you have any problem you can write it in the comment box. You can mail me and also even DM me on Instagram. Thank you so much. So please like, subscribe and share it with your friends.
Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and for latest updates click on the bell icon. Thank you.